Hey there, awesome people. Welcome back to the channel, your one-stop hub for breaking down the wild world of AI investments. Today, we're diving headfirst into the roller coaster ride that is Tempus AI. That's right. This company has been down nearly 50%, and you might be wondering, is this the perfect time to buy the dip or should I run for the hills? Buckle up because we're going deep into the numbers, the latest earnings call, and the future of AI in healthcare. Let's start with the basics. Tempus AI, known for its groundbreaking use of data and AI to revolutionize healthcare diagnostics, recently delivered some stunning Q4 2024 numbers. Even though its stock's been battered by a tech market slump and big-name investors offloading shares, the company reported a whopping 35.8% year-over-year revenue growth and an even more impressive 49.7% boost in gross profit. And get this, they ended the year with a jaw-dropping $940 million in total remaining contract value and a net revenue retention rate of 140%. Talk about strong fundamentals. So why the massive slide in the stock? Two big reasons. First, the overall tech market has been in a tailspin. Think global economic uncertainty, rising interest rates, and a major reevaluation of high-flying valuations. And second, some of the heavy hitters, the big institutional investors, have been trimming their positions. But here's the kicker. Even amid the chaos, Tempus AI is making power moves. Remember the Ambry Genetics acquisition? Closed on February 3rd, it's now in the mix, adding a West Coast lab and new genomic testing capabilities. Management hinted at integrating Ambry's somatic and inherited risk assays over the next year or two, setting the stage for even greater synergy in the future. Imagine combining the tech smarts of Tempus with Ambry's clinical muscle. It's like the ultimate superhero team-up in the world of healthcare. Now let's talk valuation. This is where things get really juicy. Traditionally, some might say, hey, Tempus AI makes $1.275 billion in revenue with a net profit of just $5 million. So using a PE of 25-30 times gives a market cap of only 150 million. But come on, this is an AI innovation company. Its current low profit is just the price of investment in its future explosive growth. Here's an alternative, revenue multiples. For a hotshot AI company like Tempus, investors are willing to pay 4 to 6 times revenue because of its massive growth potential, data assets, and disruptive tech. That means if you crunch the numbers, 1.275 billion times 4 is about $5.1 billion, and at 6 times, you're looking at roughly 7.65 billion in valuation. Bam! That's a whole different ballgame compared to traditional profit-based metrics. But what does that mean for the stock price? Let's assume there are 10 million shares outstanding. Under the traditional method, you'd see roughly $12.5 to $15 per share. But if you're playing the long game and betting on those AI dreams with revenue multiples, the stock price could be much, much higher once the market realizes the true value of Tempus AI's innovation and future cash flow. So, what's my advice? If you believe in the transformative power of AI in healthcare and see Tempus AI as a treasure chest of untapped potential, keep your eyes peeled for a dip. When the stock price nears that traditional valuation range, say around $12 to $15 per share, it might be your golden opportunity to pile in before the broader market catches on. Remember, folks, this isn't just about numbers. It's about a company with robust revenue growth, a huge contract backlog, and a strategy that's redefining diagnostics and treatment. With Ambry Genetics fueling growth and the data business evolving like a rocket, Tempus AI isn't your run-of-the-mill tech stock. It's a bold bet on the future of healthcare. In summary, while traditional valuation metrics might make Tempus AI look like a bargain at $125 to $150 million in market cap, a forward-thinking, revenue multiple approach could reveal a value in the ballpark of $5 to $7.65 billion. That's why you've got to look beyond the surface numbers and focus on the company's innovative drive, market leadership, and long-term growth potential. If you're excited about the future of AI and want to be part of a potential breakthrough in healthcare, Tempus AI might just be the next big thing, if you're willing to ride out the storm.